Welcome back to Jolly Julie's Crafts. My name is Jillian. I upload videos every single Tuesday. Crafting, Dollar Tree hauls, plus size clothing hauls. It's all here on this channel. Welcome, welcome. Please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Jolly Julie family. I would love to have you. And today we are coming at you with a really cool tie-dye video. It's all over everywhere, all over the YouTube, all over the internet. It's home fashion at its finest. So let's hop to it. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna show you the different things we're gonna use. The first thing you have to do is wet your clothing. So we're doing 3 shirts today, a sweater and 2 t-shirts. The sweater is a bit dark, so I'm gonna reverse tie-dye it. And so I'm gonna get up and we're gonna roll them up, and then I'm gonna pause the video because I have to make the dye after I roll everything up. So I'm gonna stand up now. Follow me over here. Here. Okay, let's just move that camera a little bit so we can see what we're doing. There we go. Okay, so I have this gray sweatshirt that had grease stains on it and I can't get them off because they set. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do the segment method. So I've never done tie-dye before, but it's gonna be so fun, guys. Okay, so I'm just folding those in and I'm rolling it up. And so the reverse method is you have to use bleach on it and then do color. So I don't even know if I will do color after I do bleach, to be honest with you. I might just like the bleach as it is, but we'll see. Now what we did is we did a little bit of a cheeky thing. So we were doing laundry today, and so what we did is we just took the clothes right into the laundry because it was wet already. I thought 2 birds, 1 stone. So when you're doing this segmenting, you want to leave about, I guess, 2 inches or so between segments. Now we bought tie-dye kits, so that's kind of fun, but fair warning, we did buy them from Dollarama. So I'm not entirely certain, you know, how good it's gonna be. But you know what? This is all for fun, and this is like quarantine time fun, kids. So let's do this. Oh, I think this might break. Okay. So let me see. Ah, I'm stuck. Okay. So I'm gonna just lower this down here. Down here like this. And this is nice because it also holds the fabric together, right? So when, in my case, I'm going to be, what do you call it? Bleaching it. So that'll be okay. Look at this giant elastics, man. There, okay. Alright. Segment. I'm just kind of elasticing them up in my hand now because it's faster and easier. Now for me, when I do the bleaching, I have to set up a cookie station here, and that's where I'm going to be doing the bleach. And the bleach mixture is half water, half bleach. I think that's okay. And I want to do 1 more segment. And so what I'm going to do is maybe 1 segment bleach, 1 segment nothing, maybe. Okay, there we go. Alright, so mine is done up here. And then there's this one. So what you do is you take your fingers and you roll, you twist the fabric. I don't know if you can see that. See that? Okay. And then just twist it like so. And then you put an elastic. Well, in this case, you're putting several elastics because you want it to be in little like pie sections. So there's 1. Keeping in mind that I have never done this before, let's see here. Okay, like that. So 1 that way, 1 that way. And then this way, 2 more elastics, guys. So we kind of make like little pies, guys. Pie in the sky. And one more elastic to hold it the other way. Okay. If there's anything sticking out, I'm just gonna stick it right under the elastic there. This one. So that's what that one looks like. And now we're gonna do one more. So come on over here and do your whatever you wanna do. And here's the elastics. So this is the third one we're gonna do. So have a look and see what we're doing here. And once it's all set up, we're gonna pause the video and start. Well, pause the video and come back. So this is the crumple method. And then what you do is you just crumple it up with your hands and then you elastic it. Okay. Right? So it's all crumpled up like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put elastics around it. So is it sturdy enough? All right, I have my lovely friend with me today who's doing tie-dye as well. So it's a kind of an adventure all up in here today. These are still wet. Now, yeah. So once they're all together, we're just gonna show you how they look and pause the video and get all our dye and stuff set up. Here's the one here. I might fix this because it doesn't look like proper pie, guys. You want to have proper pie. You know what I'm saying? It's a hard life unless you have proper pie. Pie and ice cream. Pie. Doesn't love pie. Especially in quarantine. We've got quarantine 15 going on. Alright, so we have the ball, the crumbly ball. We have the pie, and we have the sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, perfect.
I think that's good.
Okay. Perfect. So we have all three different things that we're doing. We're gonna pause, actually once you put that down, we're gonna pause the video once that's, you guys can see all the different ones, see? And we're gonna pause the video and come back when the dye's all set up. Okay guys, it's all like sectioned off. I am starting with bleach because it's a dark gray. So you see, maybe I'll move the camera down to my hands. There we go, good job. So what I'm gonna do is, this is half bleach, half water. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 2 section bleach, 1 section nothing, okay? Okay, now you are supposed to like have a squirt bottle. I don't have a squirt bottle, so sorry about my luck, dudes. So like, we gotta do us as good as we can do us in this house, okay? Okay, so let's see. And then just, I think I almost destroyed those purple bands. Thank you. Alright, so now this is just gonna make it lighter, so it will take the dye. Okay. Do I have to do the back? I think I have to do the back as well. And I'm just using a cookie sheet here. Okay. So it can stay up on something, you know? And then I skip this section, now I'm going on to this section here. Do is when I'm done, I can always get that bleach back up. If I need more bleach, I can just pick it up from the bottom as it's gone through. Okay, hold on, let's see. Oh yeah, the bleach is already starting to work. You only have to let it sit for like about 10 to 20 minutes from what I've been seeing on the tutorials. Now I see why these should be wet, because it doesn't adhere that well to super dry fabric. It kind of dried up a little bit when I wasn't, you know, paying attention. Okay. Now, if you have nice, like, stuff, furniture, and blah, 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 don't do it on your furniture. I have just a Dollar Tree kind of, or Dollarama kind of stuff going on here. So it doesn't bother me at all. Let's see. This is probably not good for my hands, but it's okay. And so my little friend here is dyeing hers as well. You can see she's doing the crumple method. And when she's done, what's gonna happen is she's just gonna wrap it up for 2 days. So we're not coming back at you for 2 days after this.
Well, the dyes are mixing to make purple and something.
Yeah, that's cool. Let me go back to this section. I think I missed quite a bit. And it's turning like a purple color. That's so cool. Whoopsies. Oh my gosh. I almost spilled bleach all over the table. This is a water bleach mixture, so it's okay. I can get some on my hands. It's not a super big deal. Not worried about it. But like I couldn't get those grease stains out, so I was like, you know what I need? I need some tie-dye all up in my life. And that will fix that situation right quick. I think I'm almost done. I'm almost done with bleach. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it up here.
Do I do the sides too?
Yeah, do it all, girl. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna leave that for 20 minutes. So let's see. And then in 20 minutes, I'm gonna rinse it out.
Oh my, whoa, guys.
Yeah, just you do you, boo.
Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah. We might not even have to open that second kit. Oh, that's awesome. We can do more tie-dye adventures. That's so exciting.
Really, little red green. I think I'm done. Okay.
Should wash my hands and stuff.
That looks good. That looks good.
Looking good. And so put the lids back on the dye.
Yes.
And then wrap it up in the plastic because you want it to stay like a little bit wet for 2 days. And then in 2 days we'll rinse it out. And then in 2 days we'll rinse it out and it will be all good.
You wrap it up in the plastic and it's looking good.
Exactly. Oh, that's gonna look good. That's okay. These are excellent eggs. So make sure, wait till you get the sides in first, because you don't want it to, and then just kind of, if you want even, you can like, do like this. Look at us cooking with gas here, guys. Smart. Alright. So that is one. This one we're waiting about 20 minutes for it to fade out. So we're gonna move on to the next one. So let's put down our and what colors do you want, Hannah? We have pink, purple, and green.
Wait, how about teal?
Yeah, teal. Just teal. Just teal and white?
Yeah, teal and white.
Okay. Let me get my lovely
The
assistant.
camera's not on, right?
It is on. Yeah, it's on, buddy. Down. Okay. And what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna do sections. These are very even sections.
You need to tie-dye it?
Yeah, can you?
Of course.
So,
I'm your
but we have to do
assistant.
we have to do both sides. So it's like one, none, one, none. Oh, that's
This one and then
yeah, exactly. Why is this so like? I know why. This is why. There we go.
fix that.
Fix that right up. I'm a little like cuckoo when it comes to this kind of stuff. Okay, this needs to be here. Okay, that's as even as it gets. So we're just gonna do one green, white, green, and do that all the way around and then flip it over. Ooh, be careful, you want to stay in the little section. And you gotta get it like more in down. Like in the underneath. You see there's a hole. Get a lot of dye in there. saturate that bad boy up.
Oh, it's okay. I think we went in the right section.
Yeah, that's how you want to do it. You want to like, because yours was all like crumple, but his is like concentrated, you know?
We might need some of that.
Yeah, we might need to put the green one. And that's okay.
Pour it.
Yeah, exactly. Cool, you're doing a good job. Oh yeah, we need more green. So let's do that. So open our second package, get out the green bad boy. Okay. Do you want the lid? Yep. Okay, perfect. So we'll pause the video as we add more dye. And we're back with more green dye.
Put it in that.
Yeah.
Let me mix it up first.
Just really like saturate it up, you know? Don't be afraid. It's just fabric. And I think on the other side too. One of them.
This one's one.
Yeah.
I use the rest of this.
Yeah, probably just use it up because you know we might not be doing another tie-dye adventure for a while. So we'll see, maybe. And actually, I'd like to get like maybe a paper towel. There's not some of that extra dye that's on the thing there. Just so it doesn't all over the white part. I want to make the white part a little bit less. There we go. All right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna show the camera. Okay. And
Beautiful. Look
this
at that.
is
Pretty
donezo, guys. We're gonna go ahead and just wrap that bad boy up. And is that done?
That's done.
Perfect. Then we're just gonna wrap it up. And I'm gonna pause the video because I have to wait still another 10 minutes and then I will be back. Okay guys, so here are the finished products. I'll zoom you in here. This is the gray sweater. Actually, let me take it down. This is the gray sweater. The bottom is looking cool. The arms are looking cool. I decided just to leave it with the bleach. So let me just put it back up here and back up so you can see it even better. See, the arms are really, really cool. They turned out well. This is the one that I rolled up with the elastics and just dyed certain sections with bleach. This one here didn't turn out as well. This is the one that was scrunched up into little pieces and then dye was put onto them. So there's the front and the back. Oh, hang it up. Actually, I think the back turned out much better than the front did. It's more evenly like colored. And the best one by far is this one. This one was the circle one. So you put it in a circle and I elasticed it off 8 times. This looks so stinking good. Like that would be my favorite method. Look at that spiral. It is so amazing. We're just in my washroom here. This is the best spot that I could do to film it here. So yeah, look, that looks really, really great. So if you're gonna tie dye, I would highly recommend that you roll it or you like twist it with your fingers in the middle and then make a little circle and then elastic it off and portion it off into like 8 pieces like a little pie. So what I did was I just rinsed them until they ran clear and then threw them in the washing machine and dryer and they have turned out really, really well, except with that one didn't turn out so well on the end. But oh my gosh, boys and girls, I love it. So that is it for the video and I will see you next Tuesday.